What are their current feelings? This is about those people that they want to know your like you guys. Okay, this is about you and your current partner. Okay, what are their feelings towards you? And this could be a no contact, this could be um, a breakup situation, this could be ghosting situation, and you're confused. Then yes, this reading is for you. Thank you for coming on this video. This is Shreya Khanna. Welcome on this channel. If you have not subscribed to me up till now, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so you receive all of my video uploads that I do for you. Okay, all the readings that I do. All right, so guys, meanwhile that is the case, I just want to tell you that if you comment down below, but I never reply to your comments. I just connect with you guys. Okay, and connect willingly on sometimes on lives. Okay, if you want to connect with me in particular, you can only book a reading with me. That's how you can connect with me, and you can connect over WhatsApp. The number is given in the description box below. If you feel like getting a reading, yes, definitely go for it. Okay, now guys, I'm doing a full-fledged reading here today, and make sure that you're watching the entire reading if it is resonating. Okay, so this is a timeless message, plus this is gonna resonate with you only if the initial few minutes are resonating with you. Okay, plus this is not a gender specific reading, right? So I'm gonna do a full-fledged reading. What are their current feelings for you? Let's just see. Radhe Krishna, Radhe Krishna, Radhe Krishna. What are your partners? What are your partner's feelings? Let's say, because there are different people watching, and let's see how exactly this is gonna resonate and with whom. Right. Let's just see. One more time, please. We have this card, Ten of Swords, Page of Pentacles, the World card, Four of Wands, Four of Swords, the Moon card, Page of Swords, Six of Swords. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, you're coming on strong. The Hierophant, Seven of Swords, Five of Wands, Eight of Cups, Emperor. Final card picking. Okay, Five of Swords. Okay, right. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, you are here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, you are here. And we have the Moon. Okay, right. And yeah, if anybody is linked with the Jupiter right now, okay, Jupiter is here. Okay, and Mars is here. All right, so let's see what your cards are saying. Okay, now you feel betrayed by this person. This person is feeling that they you should have contacted them by now. Okay, not by now, but you should have contacted them. Every single time this person feels that you contact them, and where the cycle ends is again that they make you feel betrayed again and again. You are somewhere stopping yourself, not saying bad to this person. Okay, now I feel that your emotions are strongly linked to this person. This is what's causing you departure again and again. Leave leave this person again and again. So this is what's happening in your life, okay? As soon as you leave, there is a strong urge to fight with this person. You have this inner urge to fight with this person, and this person is more like, why did you leave? Why did you leave in the first place? So this person feels like you should have contacted them by now, okay? And I just feel that this person has been doing some kind of competition with you. The same, I have came to same thing again and again, but this time I'm literally feeling, what I'm feeling is that with the same thing, that this person could have used you in their specific beautiful path of life. They could have taken a beautiful turn towards you so that their life changes. This person kept fighting with you. This person had a strong is still feeling that they want to fight with you. I think this person is more like a karmic person. This person has this urge to fight. This person has this urge to uh, giving you the vibe that they are better than you. Not this person will tell you this, that what party is better than you, right? Even if the third party is a friend, even if the third party is someone that they are just talking. So this person gives you more like a, you're not good enough, you're not worth it enough, right? This person always makes you feel competitive against other people. I just feel this very strongly, that this is not this person who does this to you as specifically. This person does this to you, to a lot of people. And whosoever they are dating, whosoever this person is dating, this person has this vibe, to them, that they keep telling other people they are better, they are better, they are better. And this makes you feel all boiled up, right? Like, why are you pushing me towards my boiling point, right? So there is some kind of boiling point to you. Just like I'm talking a bit scientific today, but there is this boiling point of water, which is 100 degrees Celsius. This person does this to other people, which we say is gas, which we talk about is gaslighting. So this person gaslights you in a specific way. This is why you feel going back to this person, like they love bomb you, okay? This is why your emotions are stuck with this person. This is why because the cards that I see, all of the swords, so this is more like a air energy. So this person makes you feel like very very stuck in a particular situation, okay? And see, this would be hard for you to listen, because I see all the swords. I see, and not those swords that make you feel good about that, like divine always gets you away from this person, your good energies, which you're made up of. And also, I feel the Jupiter, right? So, yeah, that also makes you away from this person. That, see, you have, whosoever your name is, let's say your name is AYZ, okay? So, AYZ, your only feelings towards your own work, towards your own life, tells you that what, you have to work. You have these dreams, you have these goals, you have no one to take care of you, and you are the only take care of your family, or something like that, okay? Whatever the role and responsibility it is in your life, that comes to you and tells you, what, this person is a time waste. And you always keep moving from this person. What, they give you this illusion that somebody else is better than you, or they give you like this feeling where you always feel working for this person, like how you make good food for someone, how you just a little bit tiny things you do for someone. This person makes you feel, if this is a husband wife case where you are in no contact, something like that, you have always filled their cup. You have always tried that, one day everything will be fine, one day. But this person never stops, guys. And trust me, it's not your fault. It's not your fault. Sometimes there are people who are made a certain way, and I see that this person is made a certain way, okay? And I just have this, I don't know why I have this feeling for you, that you literally wanted this person to be with you, or you wanted to be with them. This is why you kept trying so hard. You have been fighting with this person. I don't know how long this has been for. It could be 6 years, 7 years to someone's situation, but they still feel like you come to them. If they still feel like you are a child, you can be, easily, taken in control of, right? So somebody wants to control you with this page of pentacles towards your emotions. They always feel like, you will never know that they are the dumb person. Like, some people who played really smart, they are actually the dumbest person, and they want to, convey this to you, that they are not the dumb person, you are the dumb person. And trust me, the feeling, everything is coming like that. So what I'm seeing is, let me tell you this, very very very, if I had the opportunity, I would have showed you the cards, okay? First of all, you have a very strong Jupiter to your life. You could be a sage, you could be a monk, you could, like, in the coming time, because you're moving towards your spirituality. Next, there is some kind of a guru that you believe in, okay? It could be anyone, it could be your own parents, it could be your a real guru, a real sage who you believe in, okay? It could be anyone that you believe in, and you have seen that person, that gives you hope, that gives you faith, that gives you the strength, everything. You have a particular that person, and that person has been sent to you by God. And it's not just to you, but to a lot of people, okay? Now, I am not supposed to say the names of guru, but you know who I am talking about. You know that there is a particular guru to you, okay? It could be, because I see the Hierophant card. And what you are going for in your personal life is that this is your sole purpose. This is 122, and there is Lord Ganesha, okay? There is these keys, there is this Hierophant card, there is people to this person, and this person is very strong. This could be you too, this could be a guru, this could be a Jupiter energy, this could be someone or you, okay? So you are meant to teach, you're meant to provide wisdom to others, you're meant to do something towards humanity, humankind also, okay? So if you have been giving doing some kind of charity work, okay? If you've been doing some kind of good karmas to your life, which means, giving food to others, it could be birds, it could be people, it could be animals, anything that you're doing, you are supposed to move up from that and do this for humankind also, okay? Humankind also needs your wisdom. This is what I'm seeing. And this person, your favorite person, right? Your no contact favorite person whom you can't get over with. This person has been changing all of your good energies to competitive energies. You are supposed to be a leader, and a leader is never competitive to anyone. Your competition is you, my friend. You are your own competition, and this person has a habit to make their own relationships compete to others, because they are in competitive. I just can say that this person, your no contact person, they are in competitive. They are highly in competitive, right? This is 1414, the confirmation is here, okay? So this is why they put you up with other people's competition. But I just see, why? I see that you have this divine energy connected to you, where you always move from this person. No matter what, this person makes you feel good, and this person makes you feel bad. Hot and cold. There is a situation, on and off. There is a situation. Now, I'm going to give you this one thing, okay? You feel like whenever this person will call you, you come up from that. There is a particular time that you feel that again and again that this person is gonna contact you, right? Maybe this person does, and they give you all the off vibe when they contact you. Suddenly you go to healing, you do a lot of healing at that time, you always feel that the cycle has ended, the cycle is about to end, the cycle needs to end. And suddenly, you know what, the cycle comes again repeating to 10 of swords. And I can just give you this hint that you, in the middle of all of this, are going through 5 of swords right now. If you can't change your ways, I am sorry to say, how many times divine help you, you will always feel the same way, that as soon as the cycle is about to end, there is, see, this is the last card of the cycle, and then cycle is repeating with 10 of swords. Which means whenever you're thinking of a new person, whenever you're thinking to get into a relationship, whenever you want your love life to grow, whenever you want love in your life, you start it. I'm not saying it's your fault, I'm saying that be conscious of it, recognize when this happens, okay? You start to crib about the same things, you go into the same cycle. So I can say either there is some kind of fear that is coming up, okay, that is coming to the surface, okay, and then there are so many things that you have changed in your life, by the way. So I just can say that there is a guidance that I can give you with the cards only, okay? This is your guidance time. Let's just see. God, what can my collective receive as a guidance in this particular situation? There is the High Priestess card. Yeah, you need to change a little bit about your own self. And when I say that, there is a strong the 3 of Swords. Yeah, this person broke your heart. You can't go to the same person to tell them that you broke my heart, right? You can't expect them to come to you and they're gonna say that, you know what, I broke your heart. No, that's not gonna happen. 9 of Cups, okay. The Death card. Can I receive one more clarity with this one? 4 of Cups. Yeah. And 4 of Pentacles. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so guys, first of all, what you need to change about you is you are a winner. Say it 3 times. Write it down in the comment section below. I am a winner, because you are. Okay. This heartbreak happened, and you know that you're winning in this situation. Don't start cribbing about it again and again. You are winning in this situation and you know it. Okay, you are winning in this situation and you know it. Write down in the comment section below, I am winning and I know it. Okay. Plus, there is this heartbreak, and I have received 9 of Cups to this card. It's more like this person of yours, they tried again and again to get you away from your focus, your life, your responsibilities, and those responsibilities came to you back again and again and told you that, you know what, you're wasting your time. We are there to take care of you. Your life is not supposed to be only doing the love thing with someone else who's not giving you enough, or maybe they are not enough. I mean, to hell with cribbing and saying that someone is not doing right to me. No, this is number 19 that I see right now. This is the Sun energy, and I'm saying that tell yourself that they are not worth for themselves. How are they gonna be worth me, right? So I'm just seeing, today, that I'm seeing this person's energy, your no contact person's energy. I feel that this person is not enough for themselves. How would they be enough for someone else? so they can never fill your cup in. I'm telling you, this came to you from divine, that get away from this person. That's why your heart was broken. Get away from this person specifically. That's your wish fulfillment. So some of you really wanted to breathe, some of you really wanted to heal, and I see the healing. I see getting away from this person. I see that you have, gotten in touch with yourself, gotten spiritual, receiving high end wisdom to yourself, receiving something to do with your life. I think you should be grateful. I mean, your transformation is coming, and the past person cycle, there is a cycle, okay, that keeps round and round and round and round, okay. When this comes here, don't go there. You don't start that cycle again, okay. When this comes here, it's the end of it. Tell yourself, thank you, God, for ending this cycle. Keep repeating that. Thank you, God, for ending this cycle, and I'm not making this up. This was your wish fulfillment, that somebody needed to broke your heart so that you can go into deep healing, because I can feel that you had done a lot for a lot of people. You had this burden on your chest, okay, so you needed to give that up. Now I see that you could be a public figure, and if not yet, it is supposed to happen for you. Even if you're not a public figure right now, but you could be, okay. This is going to be for you. You will be giving other people this mature advices, or maybe towards humanity, what you do, okay. And there is this person made you feel all bad about yourself, which this person keeps doing for other people, okay. Now I close your readings, guys, okay. If you like the video, comment down below. Thank you, God, okay. And if you want to purchase a private reading, message me in WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box below. Moreover, guys, I would be giving you some kind of videos regarding the same, so make sure you are subscribing to my channel. This is 2222. I'm signing off now. I wish you all the best, and press the notification bell icon also, okay. It means a lot to the channel, it means a lot to my readings, and I would see you in your next reading on YouTube, or maybe I will see you in your personal session. Bye bye, guys, all the best.